Hello everybody, my name is Antonio. Today I'm gonna take you to some nice places in Prague where you will see some nice view of the city. We're gonna walk through Písecká brána, maybe you can see it here. This place was serving as a defense mechanism for the city. It was in the 18th century built, if I'm not wrong. We're gonna take this lady some bathing. Need to go a bit more. This building over here is called Letohrádek Královňány. It served as a garden for the queen or some other nobilities in the time. You can take a nice shot of the Prague Castle. Unfortunately, there are fences here. I prefer to take photos with viewfinder, but to make it through the screen so you can see more or less. Maybe from here, and this nice tree. The tree is beautiful. I like how the light is falling on the walls of this building. There's so nice trees here. You can make a nice composition with them. Let's try. I wish I had the wide lens conversion for Fujifilm, but maybe in some next videos I can borrow it and try to make some nice shots. Stand here for hours. And we're gonna go to Letna Park. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you will be notified when I post a new video. Also follow me on Instagram, and for a chance to be featured in some of my next videos, you can use these hashtags. Here's this bridge. It connects this park to the other park. Let's hope we can make some nice shots here. Actually, the tram looks nice. I love trams. There's another one. Let's open it. Wonder how the tram looks from above. This is how it looks. This house over there, it's the villa of František Bilek. It's a famous sculptor, and now it's a museum you can visit. It's really nice, and I will write the website in the description. From here we can make also a nice shot of Prague. And it's even nicer. This is a nice building here, and there's a restaurant here actually. Yeah, it looks nice from here. here even nicer. It's beautiful. Some nice shots from Prague here also. We'll go first there and then go to the metronome. Make a shot from distance. I like the shots here. And this is one of my favorite bridges. Actually, it's the shortest bridge on the river. Like this need to be shot. Oh, there's nice bird shot. Sorry for my breathing heavily. I try to build up some stamina making these videos. Maybe the fact that I'm smoking is not helping. Like this kind of shots sometimes. Let's see. This is the Prague metronome. There was a huge statue of Stalin sitting here in the 50s, but as soon as the communist regime discovered about his terrors, they decided to bomb it. There is a nice book from Hanna Pihola about this monument. I will write the link below if you want to buy it or want to check it out. Let's try to make some nice shots here. There's this guy making a photo, maybe a selfie. This is the metronome. Make a nice shot of still a bit more. That's the thing with 23mm in f in the sensor of Fuji APS-C, it's equivalent to around 35. It's good that it's wide, but it's not the widest. I prefer 28 or 24 or even 20. Places here. Right, folks, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. I'll try to upload video once a week or twice a week. We'll see how the time will allow, and the light is the most important, so we'll try to find days for shooting that are with good light. Here's one more shot from here. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and turn the notification bell on and put maximum of likes, because I want to start making more serious videos. So cheers.